Congratulations to Makhadzi for winning the BET Awards 2024. So Makhadzi was nominated for the Best New International Act nominee, and she came back with it, guys. She went there and represented South Africa. Like, you know, it's a really nice feeling to know that, okay, we are recognized in some parts of the world, you know, because of her. So she won the Best International Act nominee in the BET Awards. And when she was having her conversation with Makhadzi, she mentioned that she borrowed money to go to this event. You know, she borrowed money to go to the BET Awards because she is going through some stuff. She said that she is going through some stuff, so she had to borrow money from Mashonisa, which is typically a loan shark, to go to the BET Awards, guys. You know, she said that she's paying SARS money because they say that she's owing, so she's just trying to cover up that debt. And it's a good thing, guys. It's a good thing because people do get arrested for owing SARS, and a lot of celebrities, like, they owe SARS, you know. And I'm glad that she is paying it by herself, because some celebrities, I'm not gonna mention names, but they just post on social media that they need help. Let us please donate for this person so that they can pay, you know. So I'm glad that she's paying it for herself, and she got a very warm welcome on the airport, guys. She got a very warm welcome at the OR Tambo International Airport when she arrived today at 9:30. This is her family rejoicing with her. She was really happy, guys. I had to cut the sound here on these videos because, you know, YouTube and people are going to be posting this, so I had to cut the sound. But people were really happy, singing, taking pictures and videos. It was a really happy moment for her, you know. And for them to drive all the way from Venda to the OR Tambo International Airport in Kempton Park, guys, it's, you know, like, it says a lot. And I like how she was greeting the elders, guys. You know, no matter how rich you think you are, no matter what of a superstar you are still a child to your parent, you are still a child to your elders, you know. She was greeting them in a Venda cultural way. She was showing respect, and I love that for her. I just, you know, I'm just happy to see that she hasn't lost her morals at all. And even some people, when they were hugging her and touching her, she was just happy, man. They didn't push anyone away. People were celebrating. There were also cops there, so I think maybe just to keep the crowd in order. But yeah, guys, there were cops there, and there was also this banner that you see here written BET. So she was there, and then she was asked to make a speech, which she did make. And she said that be proud of yourself and just stay unique, you know. We love that for her. Congratulations once again to Makhadzi for putting us on the map. We are happy for her, and we are also happy that she put us on the map, guys. Let us not forget that. Thank you so much. I'll see you